Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Are you struggling with weak Wi-Fi? In today's tutorial, learn how to install and configure your Eero Beacon mesh extender with your existing Eero network. This beginner-friendly guide will help you improve Wi-Fi coverage, remove dead zones, and get strong internet in every room quickly. Watch till the end for placement tips, troubleshooting steps, and easy instructions anyone can follow. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. In the first step, unbox the extender box. Inside the box of the Eero Beacon, you'll find the Eero Beacon device and a quick start guide to help you with setup. Since it plugs directly into a wall outlet, there are no extra power cables or adapters included. It's a simple, plug-and-play mesh extender designed to work with your existing Eero network. Now plug the Eero Beacon into a wall outlet halfway between your router and weak Wi-Fi area. Wait until the light starts blinking blue. Blinking blue means ready to set up. Get the Eero app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Open the Eero app and either create a new Eero account or sign in if you already have one. Follow the prompts in the app to begin setting up your Eero network. Tap Add Device. Choose Add Eero Device. Select Eero Beacon. The app will start scanning for nearby beacon. Keep phone close to beacon. The app will ask for Bluetooth permission. Tap Allow. App connects automatically. If it can't find beacon, move closer or turn Bluetooth off then on. The app now connects the beacon to your Eero network automatically. You will see, configuring your Eero Beacon. Wait 2 to 3 minutes. Do not unplug during this step. When finished, LED turns solid white. The app will ask where the beacon is placed. Select room name like living room, bedroom, kitchen, or office. This helps manage devices later. Tap Done. Wait while Eero optimizes network. Your beacon is now active. Move beacon to improve coverage. Halfway between router weak area. Now your setup process is successfully complete. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.